Good evening, sir. Our project title is Smart Streetlight Controller using IoT, and we have done this project using the software online tool Tinkercad. And we are the team members of myself, Prakash, and Nitish Chandra, and Harshit, and Venkat Reddy. Now, Harshit will continue with the problem definition part, sir.
Good evening, sir. Our proposed system consists of smart street lights that have external light sensing that automatically turns on at desired intensity based on the amount of lighting needed. The system also allows the controller person to check the estimated power consumption as per current intensity of light as well as check the monthly power consumption. Along with the light sensor, we would also be working with ultrasonic sensors or PIR sensor, which are used to sense and detect the objects in their range. Rao Nitish Chandran will tell proposed techniques. Sir.
Good evening, sir. Myself Nitish. The technique proposed in our project and the development of IoT given. The main idea of our project model is when the sunlight intensity is very less, especially in the evening time, the ultrasonic sensor detects the object in its range of the. Then the street light will grow with a more intensity. The street light intensity will be off when the sunlight intensity is high, and if the and also if an ultrasonic sensor does not detect any objects in the range with the help of it it helps in saving of energy. We are also going to use the buzzer which will make sound if some person is staying or more than 5% in the same place, telling them to move, avoid the traffic jam conditions and some required places. The ultrasonic sensor is going to note the number of people crossing the area and also the location of fire blast. The gas sensor and the Wi-Fi module, all the data that is collected through the ultrasonic sensor, it is sent to the server. Then by using the data from the server, we can know that the what places people are visiting more time, and the data collected we can be apply the clustering algorithm on the data, which will help for settling government offices, shopping malls, and also improve more services at the places which will be beneficial to the government and public. Rest will be continued by my friend Venkat Reddy.
Good evening, sir. The compound requires Arduino and cable wires and label bulbs, LED bulbs and ultrasonic sensors and light sensors and machine learning and breadboard, gas sensor and buzzer and Tinkercad and Tinkerspeak for the software implement and rest will continue by Prakash.
Yes, myself, Prakash, sir, and we have the two architectures, sir, in our project part. And here we go with the first architecture part, flow diagram, sir. And first, when we start the process, it transmit the signal at 37 to 40 kilohertz, sir, frequency. And then if the echo is received, then then it will calculate the distance of objects, sir. And if the echo was not received, then light will get turned off, sir. And if the distance is less than 18 inch, then it will turn on the light and then it will stop, sir. If the no condition, it will turn off the light, sir. And the first architecture implementation, sir, while we run this code, we have set the inch for the 18 inches, sir. And here you can observe, sir, the distance is 16.9 centimeters, sir. So the buzzer is was ringing, sir. That means to intimating the person to go away from the place, sir, to in order to avoid get the traffic, sir. And the LED will glow according to the weather also, sir. And in the morning time it will be off, and in the night time it will be get on, sir. To detect this, we are using the photodiode sensor, sir. And here you can see, sir, it was the night time mode, so the light was glowing. And if it went to the morning time, the light will be automatically will be off, sir. And here we go with the architecture 2, sir. And here while we start the process, analog gas reading will be detected, sir. If the reading is greater than 40, it will start buzzing, and if the no condition means it will stop buzzing, sir. And then also the data will be sent to the cloud, sir. To the ThinkSpeak cloud, it will send the data to know the how many persons are visiting at that place daily, to have the calculations for the government purposes or to certain shopping malls purpose account based on the population crowd was having there. This is the circuit diagram of our case 2, sir. I will show you the live demonstration of our project, sir. Yeah, sir. This is the case 2 implementation, sir. And while we run this process, you can see this, the buzzer will be buzzing, sir. The gas sensor reading is detected, and the buzzer will be buzzing, sir, continuously. Sir, here we have connected the A0 pin of the Arduino board to the gas sensor to A0 to read the readings from the gas sensor, and we have connected the ultrasonic sensor to the 7th and 5th digital pins of the Arduino board, sir. And we have connected the 11th pin and ground pin to the buzzer, sir. And we have used the two resistors, sir, to A0 to maintain the circuit. And we have given the power supply to the gas sensor of 5-volt power supply, sir. Here we go with the model of the sending data to the cloud person. So here we are using the Wi-Fi model, sir, not to send the data to the cloud. You can see here, sir, I was running this one. And sir, here it was working, sir. The gas sensor was working. And the buzzer also it was working, sir. The gas sensor reading was detected. The buzzer was buzzing, sir, continuously. And here in this code, I have given the API key from the ThingSpeak Cloud, sir. And this is the code we have used to send the data to the ThingSpeak Cloud, sir. This is the API key of mine, sir. And I have used the field one to have the data, sir. Here you can see the implementation in the ThingSpeak, sir. The data which was collected. You can see here, sir. The data which we got in the ThingSpeak. Sir. For example, these are the data we have collected previously and we have kept in our slides, sir. Not to present to you. And now the conclusion will be given by the Venkat Reddy. Venkat?
Hello. The conclusion, the important aim of this project is to save the current, and it's mainly used to produce the power efficiently, sir. And using the sensor to save the power energy without any waste, and save a street lighting of for peaceful vehicle movements. This SSLS units for a small street to high roads, sir. And the system can be used in a public places also like hotels, industries, etc., sir. And it will control overall overflow of a current, and the manpower not is required in the system, sir. And these SSLS are mainly used in urban areas and highways to reduce the power wastage to save the current. And also we have implemented the gas sensor in order to detect the fire accidents in nearby areas, sir. Rest will continue.
Yes, sir. These are the some of the references which we referred, sir, to do this project to get the ideologies, etc. And mainly we have referred the IEEE paper, sir, because it was a famous journal, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all. That's it, sir.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to share our knowledge with our friends and others. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.